In today's video, we will discuss exactly where to stop your car at a traffic signal. Some people stop too far, while others stop at the correct position. You can see different examples here. Please note that these videos are only for your information and to improve your knowledge of the road. You must practice with your driving school instructor during your road practice classes and follow their instructions. When you reach here, you can see this solid line. If I move the video back a little, you can see that this line starts from here. No matter which lane you are in, you can use this technique. Match this line with the top or center of your left side mirror, as shown in this picture. By doing this, you can stop your car at a safe and correct distance. You can select the top, center, or bottom of your left side mirror, depending on your height and the car model. Adjust it accordingly to stop your car at the correct distance. If you align the line with the top of the mirror, your car will stop at a safe distance from the solid line. If you align it with the center of the mirror, your car will stop a little closer to the solid line. If you align it with the bottom of the mirror, your car will stop even closer to the solid line. If the solid line completely passes the mirror, it means the front of your car is very close to the solid line or may already be touching it. In some cases, there is no extra lane on the left side. In that case, you can match this line with your right side mirror instead. If you are a student taking road practice classes, pay close attention to these points and make sure you practice them with your instructor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.